So we are on our way to Whole Foods, and we are going to do some taste testing. If you don't know what taste testing is, Whole Foods culture. I love Whole Foods culture because you can go in there and you can try out, as well as Trader Joe's. You can go in there and you can try out all kinds of stuff. Okay, and they don't have a problem with just opening up the bag. I can go with 3 packages of goodies and say, "Excuse me, can you open this for me? I want to try it." And they'll say, "Sure." Open it up, and you can just go to town, okay? I've actually had it where one time I went, and it was some salad dressing. I never had this salad dressing before. It was some vegan ranch dressing, as a matter of fact, by Daya. Go and try it, guys. Really good. But anyway, it was my first time. I never tried it, and I asked the gentleman if I could try it. And he said, "You know what? I have one better for you. How about this? You can have this one on me." Right? Asked me why. I was so excited. Went home immediately, tried it. It was double. Taylor, you ready to go do some taste testing? Huh. Hi guys, I am in Whole Foods right now, and I am going to show you guys that there are more to being vegan than just vegetables and fruit. We have a lot of different things that will satisfy your taste bud. Come along with me. So I'm gonna see if I can try the sesame seed tofu and the Beyond Spicy Vegan Buffalo Bite. So I'm gonna have myself a ball today. What is this right here? Oh, Beyond Meat Curry Vegan Salad. I'm gonna try that. And you guys are gonna have the luxury of seeing me try it. What is it? Savory Vegan Stuffed Turkey. I'm gonna see if I can try that. That might be pushing the limits a little bit. But I'm gonna see if I can try it. I haven't tried that. Both of those. Thank you for the sesame tofu here. Good. Beyond Meat Vegan Curry Salad. This is pretty good. It's definitely curry. Vegan Spicy Buffalo Chicken.
That's why I figured I was like, might as well try it.
The seasoning is on point when it comes to buffalo wings, and it's really, really spicy, so be careful with that. If you have a local Whole Foods near you, just try all the different vegan varieties, and you'll be surprised at the different things that you can find. It's really, really good. Okay guys, so here are some power snacks. I'm gonna see if I can taste these for the first time. First, let me see if they're vegan. These are definitely indeed vegan. Let's go and see if we can try them. Hey, can I try one of these? Thank you. Thank you so much. These are really good. Alright, so here are all of our vegan yogurt products that you can try. Again guys, you have a lot of different options when it comes to being vegan. You don't have to restrict yourself to just veggies. So many different options. Here are some vegan chocolate pudding for you and the kids. Look at that, made with almond milk. This is the type of milk that I drink, me and my family. When I tell you this milk is delicious, it is just that delicious. And guess what? They even have a chocolate milk alternative for you as well. They have vanilla and they also have original. So go on over guys and try all of these different amazing vegan products that I'm sure you and your family will love. I tried this personally, and it is absolutely delicious. If you're someone that enjoys chicken sandwiches, you would definitely love this one. Trust me, it's really, really good. All you have to do is just put it in the oven for a good 20 minutes. You're done. Top it off with ketchup, mustard, your favorite toppings when it comes to burgers. or chicken sandwiches, and you would definitely love this. I guarantee you. Guys, look at this beautiful woman. Are you vegan?
Yeah.
She's vegan! Guess how old she is. How old are you, ma'am?
I'm really
70. Look at that. She's beautiful. You're welcome. Take care. Look at that. The benefits of being vegan, guys. Again, I'm not trying to force anybody into becoming a vegan. However, what I am trying to do is convince everybody to live a healthy lifestyle because you deserve it. All right, so today I'm gonna try this yogurt and I'm gonna try that and put some granola in it. As you can, it's a little watery. It's not creamy like I want it to be.
What is wrong with it?
All right, guys, so as you can see, I was not a fan of that yogurt, so I went and got a different one, Kite Hill. As for the other one, I was told that if you are just starting out as a vegan, you're just trying non-dairy yogurts, that one wouldn't be a good option. So I was told that Kite Hill is the best one, so we're gonna go ahead and try it.
Let me try.
I can definitely get used to it.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna do this. It's vegan. It's good for vegans.
It's a really good alternative.
People who don't like the vegan should get this.
You don't think they'll like it?
I don't like it.
All right, so it's strictly basically for people that are converting over to veganism.
Yeah.
Okay. This right here, Kate Hill, is a really good brand. I gotta say, it's very creamy. They have a lot of different varieties. As you can see, I have strawberry, they had vanilla bean, they had chocolate, a lot of different varieties of yogurt. So go ahead and try this out by Kate Hill. All right, guys, so there you have it. As you can see, being a vegan is not that bad. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Take care. Bye.